Hello, hi, myself Rachna Baltania. So, this is a video 3 and the final video of my GenAI MCP assessment. In this video, I'll demonstrate the completed customer support chatbot shows the deployed demo walkthrough the GitHub library, briefly discuss how this prototype could be extended further. So, this is the live demo and the customer verification. Let's start with the live demo. When the customer application load, the first step is customer verification. So this is the program which is I take from consider from the local host, right? So that is the same which we are going to, and it is applying to the Hugging Face. So first, what I did that last video too, we have seen that this is the local host Streamlit application. Now what I did that I created a Hugging Face instance, and that is I uploaded all the code which are there, and this also include the dockerization, and so that is done. And then after this simulation, how a real support system would get an access to sensitive customer information. So for a dive, once it is there, where I'll just start the processing and it will show me something like this. So I'll just rerun this regular Streamlit application where I'll just pass the email ID and pin. Right now I saved it just to save the time. Once it is logged in, so here you can that first step is the customer verification. This simulation how a real support system would get an access to the sensitive customer information. So I just write down my credential because it was my system. So with a single click, I can verify it and the chat inference will become available. This flow uses a provided a test data and demonstration secure session handling, right? So in this customer live chat, once the verified the user question related to computer products such as monitors or printers. Suppose I'll just start with the high, and I'll ask the what are the products for what are the variant of for monitor. So it will provide me all the variants, okay. And I can also ask that my printer isn't printing. What should I do? So this will assist respond immediately using a low-cost, fast LLM via Grok, providing a conscious relevant troubleshooting guidance. I faced an issue earlier while developing this LLM because I was depreciating the model which I was using previously. So right now I use the latest one, which is a Llama 3.18b instance. So which gives me a correct result and provide me a fast, reliable result. So this is a demo of Chatbot can handle typically customer support scenario. MCP integration overview. If I say behind the scenes, the application integrate with provided MCP server using a streamable HTTP and JSON RPC. During the development, I validated the MCP endpoint using a tool and list method and ensure the correct header were set, which is a common requirement for the enterprise APIs. Although this prototype focuses on tool discovery and validation, the custom is designed to MCP tools can be invoked dynamically by LLM in the future. For for deployment and repository walkthrough, this application is deployed on a Hugging Face space using a Docker SDK, which is a recommended approach now that the built-in Streamlit SDK depreciated. So I have also pushed the full source code to GitHub, including the Streamlit, MCP server logic, so that is there. You can see that MCP is there, Streamlit application is there, authentication using the test data is there, the customer's data. You can see the LLM integration and the Docker configuration for the deployment. This makes the project fully reproductive and easy to review. Now, this is the URL which you can access this repo, and through that you can access the live demo, and you can run this particular queries. And so this is the regarding the demo. And now the future improvement and extension, if I say, So there are several natural future improvement the next steps for this prototype enabling LLM driven MCP tool calling for a real time products or a warranty lookups. Also, we can adding a retrieval augmentation generation using a product manuals or a FAQs, creating a support ticket CRM entries through MCP, adding analytics or a feedbacks to improve response over a time, integrated proper authentication and user profiles. This enhancement would move the prototype towards a production grade system. So this assessment was a great opportunity to demonstrate ethical Gen AI system design under time constraint. It involves a real life challenges, API strictness, model availability changes, UI state management, and cloud deployment. All of this in one particular production environment. So thank you. Once you know you run this application, you can always do a click on the logout button for your security, so that you can again utilize by another customer and your information would not leak. Right? Okay, so thank you so much for the reviewing this project, and I have kept this demo running for the review and documented everything clearly in repo. So I appreciate this opportunity and thank you so much for watching this demo. Thank you.